Hello, CS family. Welcome back to my channel, Chantel Stuff. It's your girl, Audra Chantel here, your hostess with the mostest, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video. Hop into the comments, let a sister know what's on your mind, and share this video with anyone and everyone. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day on today. Again, you already know I am. I'm so excited. See, I already told y'all sister can't sing. I don't know what I'll be doing, right? Just tripping. But anyway, it takes not too much to get me excited, and it is all warm and sunshiny and feeling all good. So yes, the sister is excited. Wanted to hop on here today and just give you a short video on how automatic payments work on your loans, right? I have a lot of people who get into sticky situations because they set up automatic payments and they think that they could just go ahead and forget about them, right? Set it up, forget about them, they're coming out, I know my payment's done, and you know, that loan, that vehicle loan is gonna be all right, I don't have to worry about it. My mortgage payment, you know, my Visa credit card loan, whatever it is that you have. A lot of times people will set those payments up and forget about them, you know, because you don't want to worry about them. That's why you set it up. But you still do have to check on them, right? Because things could happen that could keep that payment from being made still, right? So it depends on how your automatic payment is set up. There's a couple of different ways. If it is an automatic funds transfer, typically, at your bank, that payment will transfer at the end of business from your checking or savings, or at whatever type of account that you have that money in and you have it connected to pull from to pay onto the loan. Usually with the automatic funds transfer, it will transfer at the end of business, to the loan, right? Sounds kind of simple and all that, but well, guess what? That gives a whole lot of time for those funds to be moved from that account and not be there, right? So if you set up other payments to come out, or you're swiping other places and you're not managing, or tracking your expenses, and you think you know how much is in there and it's not, well, guess what? When that payment goes to pull for that loan payment, if you spent the money, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna happen, right? So you're gonna get a delinquent notice. You're gonna get a delinquent fine if you haven't paid, caught it before. That happens. If you're outside of your grace period, by the time that you caught the error, then you're gonna have a late fee. So you have to make sure that you're paying attention to that. I have a lot of people who, who want to set that into place and forget about it. I would like to do that, right? So that's just one less thing you have to worry about. You just make sure the money is in there, and then you go about your business. Well, sometimes people think, when it pulls like that, they'll check their balance and they think that, well, it's already pulled out, and it's not. And they think, well, I have money to use, so I'm going to be fine. They'll use that money and that payment doesn't get made. I say this, even if you set it up, just make sure that you're looking at that account just to confirm that the payment happened, right? Just to make sure that happens, because life happens. Sometimes, we get distracted, and sometimes we think we know that we know that we know. In all actuality, we don't, right? We don't. We've forgotten something, and something have came out. Oh, I forgot my insurance was gonna come out. Oh gosh, I thought I had 300 more than what I did. The insurance came out. I forgot it was coming out. And so now that payment didn't get made because I went and spent the other money. That's usually, some of the type of issues or situations that I hear that happens. And you just have to make sure that you're still paying attention, because it's not, even though the financial institution set it up for you, it's still not their responsibility to watch your account. That's your responsibility. So you just want to make sure that that's happening, that you're keeping an eye on it. Now, there are some that, work a little bit better, like an automatic clearinghouse. That ACH can be connected directly to your check, right? So when your check comes in, it spins off before you even see it really going into your account, right? So it's not going to be, sitting there waiting to the end of business and then transfer. So it's going to transfer right over. Now, I've seen, situations where, that still didn't happen simply because of things outside. Now, this is just outside of your control. You just, things outside of your control, like if the file comes in from your bank on your check, your direct deposit comes in with like one different number or different letter than it did the previous 2 weeks or the previous week or the previous month, depending on how you get paid, well, guess what? Then that automatic clearinghouse is not going to work, right? Because now it's a whole different file because it was connected to a different number, right? And so it didn't happen. I've seen that so many times, right? So many times happen. Well, that's something that's outside of your control. When you catch it, of course, you let us know. We'll help you clean up the mess, right? That's just, as our financial institution will now. They don't know about somebody else's, but that's still something that you want to pay attention to, right? So if you're looking at your account and you're making sure that these payments are happening, right? Well, then you will see that. You'll see, hey, the money, it didn't get, transferred. Why is the money still sitting in my account? Well, then, that financial institution can look, on what, they consider the backside of things and let you know what happened, right? And then go ahead and fix that thing for you. So I just say keep an eye out on it. It's all right to set it in place and to go on about your business, but still confirm every now and then that, those payments have been made. So that's how automatic payments work, but I do strongly recommend when you're using them that you do confirm that, your funds are being transferred and hitting those loans like they should be, just to keep your whole history, healthy, to keep your credit healthy, because you don't want a 30-day late hitting your credit report and reducing your score or making your credit report look bad. We don't know what's going on. You could be in the middle of getting refinancing a home or financing a home, purchasing some investment property, purchasing some land, or trying to get that new pontoon. I don't know. But you could be doing some of those things that this could actually cause you some issues. And, when you call your financial institution and charge them saying, hey, you messed up, well, may not always be that they messed up. It could be something that, was outside of their control as well. But had you been paying attention to your account and confirming that everything was working, then you would have caught it. So, watching everybody's accounts is something that, banks and credit unions or financial institutions, just can't do. First of all, I don't even want you trying to watch mine, because I know it's going to be a fee connected to that I don't want to pay. Because, you got all these, members, customers, clients, however it goes. And so, that's just like way too many people to monitor their account. So that means that would be, some type of fee that you're going to charge for that, some type of program you're going to put into place to monitor our accounts. So just be mindful to monitor your automatic payments yourself, just to make sure that they're going through. That's how automatic payments work, and that's my little advice on today. So hopefully this video helped somebody out today. Hopefully this video made somebody feel better and lifted somebody up. You all have a phenomenal day, and I will see you all in the next video. Deuces.